Want to make your Power BI more open, AI-ready, and deeply integrated into how you work? Microsoft is rolling out new features designed to strengthen the semantic foundation behind AI, so you can deliver more consistent and trustworthy insights. Here's what's new. Translytical flows. Power BI is no longer just for reporting. Users can now take action directly within reports, update records, trigger workflows, and resolve issues in real time without switching systems. Modern visual defaults. Create polished, consistent reports instantly. With fluent to-aligned themes, your visuals look professional right out of the box, so you can focus on insights, not formatting. Report Copilot for mobile. On the go, ask questions via voice or text in the mobile app and get instant answers or visuals powered by Copilot. TMDL View in the web preview. A code-first modeling experience is coming to the browser. View, edit, and manage semantic models with greater transparency and efficiency using TMDL. Direct Lake on OneLake. Work with open formats like Delta Lake and Parquet while reducing data duplication. Direct Lake unlocks faster performance and near real-time insights. Direct Lake Calculated Columns preview. Extend your data model when upstream changes aren't possible by adding calculated columns directly within Direct Lake tables. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.